Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of interesting animals on the farm today. The black swan. They feed by dabbling, not diving, in shallows for aquatic plants. The black swan often tucks one foot over the back. Underneath the water, the feet are paddling fast. The Brahman Bull. They are also called zebu. They originated in India. The Brahman is characterized by a pronounced hump over the shoulder and neck. Can you tell me how many Texas Longhorn cattle in today's video? Is it 5 or 6? The Brahman Cow. Notice her drooping ears. Grey is the prevalent colour, with deep shading in the fore and rear quarters of the bull. The Brahman calf. The Indian origin Brahman cattle breed is named after the Brahmins, which are Hindu priests, who themselves are named after the Hindu deity Brahma. Many Hindu Brahmins are vegetarians and consider cows holy and bulls sacred, eating neither. The Black Angus Bull. It is also known as the Aberdeen Angus or just simply Angus. It is a Scottish breed of small beef cattle. The Black Angus Cow. As well as Scotland, this breed is found in Argentina, Australia, Canada, United States and Germany. And the calf. Due to their native environment, the cattle are very hardy and can survive Scottish winters, which are typically harsh with snowfall and storms. The Simmental cow accounts for nearly half of the cattle of Switzerland, Austria and the western areas of Germany. They are sometimes called Swiss Fleckvieh. It is named after the Sim River in Bern in Switzerland. And here are the calves. The Texas Longhorn Bull. Their horns can extend to over 70 inches or 1.8 meters tip to tip. Remember to tell me how many Texas Longhorns in today's video. The Texas Longhorn Cow. They are able to eat a wider range of grasses, plants and weeds than most other cattle. And the calf. You can see the tiny little horn buds on the top of their head. They nearly became extinct in the 1920s. Another Texas Longhorn Bull. They are a very docile animal and can be trained to draw a wagon. In Australia we have Texas Longhorn safaris and Texas Longhorn wagon tours. The Texas Longhorn Cow. Both the male and females have horns. The ancestral cattle were first brought over by Christopher Columbus in 1493 to the Caribbean islands of Hispaniola. Their horns are an example of evolution's natural selection. And here come the sheep. These are Merino sheep. The rams are the males and they have the curved horns close to the head. The Merino ram. The fine wool fibers of Merino faces are beautifully crimped. The Merino breed originated in Spain. It was known as early as the 12th century. It is particularly well adapted to semi-arid climates and to nomadic pasturing. We have lots of Merino sheep in Australia. Sheep are ruminants, which means cud-chewing mammals of the genus Ovis. The sheep is usually stockier than its relative the goat. It has scent glands in its face and hind feet, and the males lack the beards of goats. Sheep usually have short tails. Merinos need to have their wool shorn once a year. This young lamb is suckling from its mother. And here are the goats and one sheep. Which one is the sheep? European mouflon. The ibex is a wild goat. The Tajik markhor, which is a Middle Eastern wild goat. Himalayan tahr. The European mouflon is the sheep. I've put it with the goats because it annoys the other sheep. Time to feed the animals, and here's Matt. We're feeding the goats and mouflon first. The farmer David has a bale of hay for the cattle. And Matt brings in some fresh greens for the sheep. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Subscribe and like if you like farm animals. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.